have a question. I fell in a major department store right before Christmas on a really rainy day. I fell right underneath the camera in the particular store, and they didn't have the caution wet floor signs out. And I did injure myself. I didn't break any bones, but I suffered from whiplash, and my shoulder kind of got jammed up. And I've heard from their insurance company like one time, but she told me I have to be completely through with treatment before I can file a claim. And I'm racking up doctor bills in order to do that. So is that how it's normally done? And how do you handle a case when it's a national company, not just a local company?
It's still pretty common though, either way, right?
Well, unfortunately, you know, the key words I heard were it was a rainy day, and I gathered from what she said that she's talking about somewhere near the entrance to the store. Unfortunately, in Georgia, I think there's case law that says you're pretty much on knowledge that if it's a rainy day outside, there's going to be puddled water in and around the entrance to a store, and you really don't have a leg to stand on as far as bringing a case. Now, if it's inside the store, Mike, I think they would have a duty to warn if they've wet the floor with mopping or whatever. Wouldn't they have a duty to put cones out and warn people of that?
You're right. As you get further on into the store, then, because what we're talking about is the owner's supposed to warn you and protect you from things they know about, but you have a duty to know about certain things too. Well, as you get further into the store, you're thinking about shopping now and not focused on rain coming from in, and the owner knows that. And so then as you get further into the store, kind of the duty of the owner to warn and protect you of wet floors goes up. And yes, it put cones out, mop it up, what have you. So that's important. The other thing I noticed she mentioned was about the camera. The very first thing she'd want to do is on her own or have a lawyer send a letter and tell them that she intends to pursue a claim and that she demands that they not erase and preserve and protect that videotape. That can be real important to get on that in a hurry in these type of cases.
Right, I noticed.